it'll terminate and turn into a Dyneema leader to the jib, right? But I can't get the fucking cover into the 6 mil Dyneema.
Is that a pain in the ass? So these are 12,000 pound breaking strength. That's insane. And what do you say this was? 20,000?
20,000, 10 tons.
10 ton. A 10 ton bracelet.
Yeah. I think it's actually 12, but you take off a little bit.
How useful is that? I can have something you wear on your wrist, a whole freaking 10 tons.
Yeah. I know.
Good for any off-roader or anybody.
That's yeah.
That's insane.
Here.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Looks nice.
Yeah.
It fits nice. The guy.
He sunk it there.
Really? Yeah.
Right here in the marina, he left it in for the winter.
Wait, is that? No, that's not the one I'm thinking. There's a fella.
That's Sadat's boat there. Sadat's a pretty cool dude.
French. Sadat.
Ayo, mano.
It's nice.
Yeah.
I like it here. It's pretty.
This is our little marina.
And that's not that. Oh, so right where you're saying that docking.
Like anything else. I brought my third place Charlottetown finish. I'm gonna Burgee. I'm gonna put it up in here. Cocagne Cape brought a racing flag home.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. We won third with the old Pisces too, but I didn't have the heart to tell anybody there was only 3 in that class. Had no choice but to get a prize. Alright, Ray, son of a... Where do you see the inside? It looks like it's 38 feet. Like it looks like a massive boat.
It's wide.
Center cockpit.
Big or small?
No, the cockpit's a little. That's the only sketchy thing about it. It's got a high freeboard, right? And the cockpit's high, so you're really exposed when you're like you get into big before you tack.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's
fair. You know where you're gonna land, and then if conditions change, you're fucked because you can't move that there when it's loaded up, right? So
true.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you have to basically. Yeah, that's harsh. So you have to know what you're gonna end up doing.
But that's just being a little fuzzy.
Still, it's good that there's a stopper on it. That's
I
you
blew
don't.
that off one year.
Oh wow.
Well, it wasn't locked in the pin right. It was sitting like that, right? And when I came over, she went. The end stop went. The whole fucking main come out, and it was fucking flying loose.
That's not
32, really.
Yeah, that doesn't feel like it.
The inside, you think it's 35 feet long, or 38 feet long.
That's impressive, really. Like even up here, look at that. Like.
Well, there's no cockpit. It's flush deck, right?
Yeah.
I don't think it will.
No. Try. Always go down backwards.
Disaster at the moment.
No, you've been on mine.
Yeah.
Actually, that's about the same.
Yeah.
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 That's not bad, you know. Like under 14, you can stand up.
Yeah.
I think the only thing I've been able to stand up in so far is a Hunter 33 and a CNC. Or what was a CNC 33, isn't it? And a Hunter 36. I can't freaking remember. But still on a heel. I'm fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what I like because it's like.
Yeah.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Comfortable too.
Yeah, you can get wedged in there.
Yeah, you can set your spot. Yeah, see. Oh, I like your nav station.
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah.
That's nice. That's proper.
Yeah.
Wow, eh? That's.
Yeah. Sure.
Yes, sir.
It's not bad. It's a cool spot to hang out.
Yes, sir.
It's where I usually hang out. Everybody else is in here, and then I'm like the captain, so that's where I fucking go.
Wow.
So go back there. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I got it all tore apart, but
You do not think that this is 32 feet.
yeah.
Like the door. Wow. You know, these doors, to have somebody make them,
I know.
cost more than most people's boats.
Yeah.
If you would,
Yeah.
today. That's
You couldn't
insane.
replace fatigue on this boat for under 100 grand.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. That's just comfy.
Yeah.
Oh, and like is that for a rudder emergency tiller? Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Oh,
the
wow.
emergency
Right
tiller.
into the woodwork, eh?
The emergency tiller is under the bed.
Wow. Yeah, she was a Blue Water built boat.
Yeah.
Look how thick
100%.
that is.
Yeah.
That's rock solid.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Yeah.
That's
And apparently, if you can like see through fiberglass, that's a good thing. It means it was well laid up.
Yes, exactly. If it's bubbly,
Yeah.
then you can't see it. It goes real fucking dark
Yeah.
after so many layers. It's crazy. This is awesome, man. Holy shit.
Yeah, it's cool.
Wow.
Thanks.
I can see what you mean about the motor. That's a curse. Mr. Jumper.
I can't even access the other side of it.
Really?
Yeah. Very, very little.
Wow.
So this comes off at least.
Yes, yes. So it's a port side by feel, I guess, eh?
Port side what?
You work on the port side by feel.
Yeah.
Jesus. Yeah. Or
But
cameras.
there's nothing over there.
But oh, okay.
So
yeah, I
whatever.
suppose they've done it
The
all over
starter's
here.
over there. But
You could almost a neat thing if in the future with like say harbor mesh or something, you could put a small camera in there.
yes,
You know,
yes,
so like
that
monitor,
would be super
and
fun.
or then you could see because you'd be working here, you'd be like, okay, and you look and you're just doing that. You know,
That would
like
be super cool.
I think that would be a great feature to
I
have.
think you'll like my electrical system. I've been building it for a while.
You get the forward cabinet even.
That's Mama's bedroom. That's Mama's bedroom.
Yes, sir.
Big fucking look at the door.
Oh, wow.
Locked
Big
up.
slider.
Yeah.
That's nice.
It doesn't have any fancy fucking carving or anything, but
It's still beautiful.
yeah.
Man. This thing's built right.
I know, I couldn't not buy it. It weighs 18,000 pounds.
Yeah. 18. Wow.
Yeah.
So Mr. Jumper is
10.
10,000. Yeah. Wow.
I don't
That's
stand a
insane.
chance in the race community.
No.
But I did race the old girl last
You'll be
year.
able to pull right in sleeping.
Fuck, we got her going though. The wind picked up at the evening there at around 1 a.m. there. We were fucking flying down the straight at 8 knots. We bought the leather on Amazon because the wheel wrap kit from Epson or whatever is like $350. I got the leather on Amazon for like $20.
Oh my wow.
The leather, the twine, I have all kinds of it.
And sewed it yourself.
So it was only in sections, so I had to splice it. Like the Epson one is full, continuous.
Okay.
So this was as long as I could get it, so I just divided it and spliced it in.
That kind of looks nice though.
It does, and it gives you a little knob to grip,
Yeah.
right? When you're,
Yeah,
when you're
especially-
just holding it off to a little bit of weather helm there. That's like right where your hand lands, right on those two knobs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I end up doing is I'll always like, especially at night, my hand will just go right through on the spoke and just rest, you know?
Yeah.
I'll lean on it because you get it balanced right and then you kind of like just rest in a lean.
Yeah.
And then if you crash drive, that means you passed out.
Yeah. Yeah. 100%. Yeah.
But no, that's nice. Wow.
Yeah.
So something that would cost like relatively $1,000 yourself for like under
Well,
100.
it would have cost around $300-400.
Okay, we'll just have someone wrap it
I
and
did
stuff
it for
too.
like $100 if that. But
Fair.
it took me like a fucking month of fucking around to do. That's every hand stitch there. Like, it took me like a month to put it on there.
That's insane, though.
But I just farted around with the TV on a couple hours here and there. I'd do fucking so many inches. Yeah.
That's good though.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot better.
Or do we only need to open one? Yes, we do.
Oh, this comes out too, does it?
What? No, it don't, I guess.
Nice.
There we go.
No.
Starts looking for shit, so that's all the stuff that's on the system. 12 charger. So because they're lithium, you have to charge through the deep cell battery. The alternator charges the deep cell, and the deep cell charges these because the alternator.
Oh, it's like a
These
charge
would
controller.
these would
yeah,
cook the alternator because they'll take all the power it can give.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh. So they are purely storage.
Yeah.
You know, and they're designed that way.
Yeah, and then even my switch is different than most, right? You don't have 1, 2, and all this crap. So we got them on. We got them on. We'll turn the boat on,
Yeah.
and then you never go here unless this guy's dead and you want to fucking start the motor.
It's emergency.
Yeah.
That's emergency.
Yeah.
Really? So
Yeah.
you don't have both 1, 2,
No.
and that's what that's for. That's specifically for that.
Yeah.
What? That's cool.
Yeah. Because the BMS will probably shut down the batteries if you try to start with them because your starter needs like 200-300 amps, and these won't give you that. They'll only give you a lower amperage, longer and slower than a super high amperage right away. There's a little bit more right here,
Yeah.
unless I want to put a fourth battery.
I'd save that for maybe future additions to your
Yeah.
system, maybe.
Yeah.
think you're gonna need it.
It looks that way. Because I have a charge controller too for the solar, so that's got to go in there somewhere.
Yeah. Oh, that's your. Is that the old one?
Yeah.
She's dead.
Yeah. Cooked.
Oh, shame. Let's say she starts.
No problem.
Pretty alright after sitting all fucking winter. She's hungry. I like the doors.
No problem. Well, there.
The red Lexan.
Yes, what a weird thing. Yeah.
You know why that was popular? A lot of, is laser. Anybody who works with lasers and stuff like that. It's always a backdrop. So it's one of the most used alternatives for clear.
Really?
Yeah. I had a printer that had a laser, and that's how they come with the cover. Oh, you got a hammock too?
Huh?
You got a hammock too?
Oh, of course.
Oh, you got some benchies?
Oh, yeah. So we take photos of them, like places we go, like on the boat, and we post it on the marina website.
No way.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to make you guys some of these.
Yeah. One of them's my favorite there. This guy's pretty cool.
Who did all these up? Your cousin?
Chris Lee, the president of the marina.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's clever.
Badass.
Bad.
I don't know what the fuck that
Bones and stuff like that, yeah. All...
Pisces too. So yeah, we do like fucking close-ups of them. I got a couple with like sunsets off the boat, off the water in the background.
Yes, sir.
I tried to do a little content creation, but I'm not very good.
Well, that's what somebody said to me. Was that you might only find one or two people. Almost. I'll take it on this way. Oh, that's yours.
That's mine.
I thought,
Yours is here.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, yours is about the same as mine.
I didn't take a sip of it. That's good. I'm glad I didn't take a sip of it.
Yep. Wonder where all these fucking sockets are. Jesus Christ. Be an abundance missing. Oh yeah, fuck, I forgot about that. Fuck.
What's that?
At first I thought I had to take the prop shaft off to get the coupler on the shaft to get that thing out.
Oh, yeah.
And I broke a bolt on the coupler that's holding the shaft on, so that's got to be drilled out and put a new bolt in.
Oh, fuck.
That won't be today. I think it's rusted on there to the point that it'll grab.
Trevor pointed out something that I wasn't really thinking of, but like this is from the water freezing in here during the winter. That's why he had to weld that up, but it broke it. Crazy. And then this is our mass box that I made a generator for, and I can make any size, any roundness, anything like that. So it works. And finally, this was our depth sounding. We went out there into the blow a little bit. Hope you all have a great season. Beautiful up there. I can't wait to be back. Take care.
Yeah, go about the middle.